Friends and family, we are gathered here on this beautiful day to witness the union of Lauren Elizabeth and Ryan Joseph in holy matrimony. As Lauren and Ryan embark on this journey together, they will be able to nurture a love that makes them better versions of themselves.
Ryan, words cannot express my love for you, but I'll sure try my best. Today, I promise to not only stand by your side for the rest of my life, but to love, honor, and be there for you for the rest of my days. To always remind you that wherever I am with you is where I call home. And for the two of us, home is not a place, it is a person. And babe, we're home. And with that, I promise I will always lead my life.
My soulmate, my best friend, my rock, my love. I stand here today with you by my side in front of our closest family and friends, embarking on the next chapter in our lives. When I look at you, it makes me smile, makes me feel whole inside, knowing you'll be with me through thick and thin, as I will do with you the same. I promise that laughter will be a commonplace in our home. I promise that I will always fight for your love. I vow to be the man you inspire me to be. Now let me see that smile. There we
go. You two really are perfect for each other. I'll never forget the day when Ryan called me and told me that he was buying a ring and proposing. I felt like it finally all came full circle. And then when Ryan did propose, Lauren calls me, sobbing, and I'm in the hair salon with foils in my hair, also sobbing. But I was just so excited for her to finally have this love.
To Lee and Shelly Wilcox, thank you. Tonight would have been possible without you two because you've provided the star of the night, Lauren. Lauren, you look stunning, beautiful, and you look absolutely perfect tonight. To Ryan and Lauren, tonight wouldn't be possible without you two. You two have been the inspiration for many and the reason we're gathered here tonight. The love between you two is stronger than anything.
Always remember these words. Love is patient and kind. Love is not jealous or boastful or proud or rude. Love never gives up, never loses faith, is always hopeful, and endures through every circumstance.
Lauren, place the ring on Ryan's finger and repeat after me. I promise to do my best to love.
I promise to do my best to love,
cherish, and accept you. Just the way you are.
Just the way you are.
I give you my heart until the end of time.
I give you my heart until the end of time.
I have no greater gift to give.
I have no greater gift to give.
Now Ryan, place the ring on Lauren's finger and repeat after me. I promise to do my best to love.
I promise to do my best to love,
cherish, and accept you. Just the way you are.
Just the way you are.
I give you my heart.
I give you my heart
until the end of time.
until the end of time.
I have no greater gift to give.
I've got no greater gift to give.
by the power vested in me by the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, I pronounce that you are now husband and wife.
Ryan and I were sitting next to each other at a fraternity party drinking warm beer. Ryan just gave me a nudge and said, "Watch this," as he proceeded toward Lauren. He just handed her his phone. No words from Ryan, just a gesture. A witty remark from Lauren, but that number still got put in his phone. And that's it. Ryan knew exactly what he wanted, and the rest is history.
Lauren became my big sister in spring semester of 2013. You hear all these horror stories, you steal your clothes, you use all your good shampoo. She immediately deemed us best friends. So fast forward 6.5 years later, I can't imagine not having Lauren as my only sister. Our relationship is really bloomed into something that I could honestly say will never be broken.
So if I can leave you guys with some advice. First, to move forward, don't look back. Don't fret over what happened in the past and focus on a happier future together. 2, always be validating. Appreciation for each other is key. And 3, enjoy the adventure. You guys are loving and amazing, so just have fun.